Every so often, when spring rolls around, I get the craving to make a lavender honey latte. It's not my usual go-to, but when the weather starts to warm up, this one just feels right. It's soft, floral, and a bit sweet. So first, to your mug, you're going to add about a teaspoon of honey. Next up, we're going to add about a tablespoon of lavender syrup. Finally, it's time for our espresso. I'm using just a double basket, but if you want to do a quad shot, that's fine too. Taking the funnel off. I do like how the Ninja Cafe has storage right on the side for all of the accessories that come with it. And we're pulling our shot. Next, we're gonna froth some milk, 8 ounces, gives us the latte. I like how this has the markings on it, so you know exactly how much to add. Then we can select whether we want dairy or plant-based. This one's also really good with oat milk. You're just gonna pour it right into your mug. If you can do latte art, go for it. I am not great at that. It just ends up being a blob, but for this recipe, that's okay. We're gonna sprinkle on a little bit of honey powder. I got this from a local tea shop, but I found some online too, so I'll link that in the description box as well. That way you can find everything easily. And there we have our lavender honey latte, which tastes just like a spring garden in your cup.